Yes, my question is, how long do you have to wait? I was on a job and I got hurt. I hurt my back and I also got carpal tunnel. But the job that I worked on and got hurt on is out of business. Is there any way that I can go back and get medical attention? Because I do need to have that carpal tunnel surgery again. I done had it once, and I need to have it again. But there's no way I can pay for it. Is there anything I can do? Does
Yeah, generally, Marilyn, it's very rare that a company is what we call self-insured, meaning they pay, unless it's a really big company, that they pay these medical bills themselves. Most of these companies have workers' comp insurance. And so if the company goes out of business, that's, it might every now and then be a concern, but mostly, as long as the insurance company is solvent, you should not have any problems with that. You just have to find out who the insurance company was that handled the claim. Now let me tell you this. Now, carpal tunnel cases, you have 2 years from the date of the last exposure to file a lawsuit. So probably the 2 years from your last day on that job. Okay, so you might, if it's past that time, you might not be able to file a lawsuit for damages, money damages. But in the state of Alabama, your medicals stay open forever as long as you go to see the doctor. The doctor will treat you, and the doctor says your injury is related to your injury is related to the work you were doing when you got hurt.
Okay. What if you get the call from the insurance carrier that says, "Hey, let's close out your medicals. We're going to pay you some money.
Sure.
And we're going to close out your medicals, but yeah, you don't really need those anyway."
Well, there's two different schools of thought on that. And I would never tell someone who is receiving a lot of treatment after they're released from the doctor, ongoing treatment, to close out their medicals, because the medicals, that healthcare, we all know, is a crisis in this country and it's expensive. But a lot of times it makes sense to close out the medicals. They will pay you more money to close out the claim in its entirety, just to do a divorce, walk away, settlement. So again, it's on a case by case basis, and we just really have to analyze that as it comes. Some cases I tell people, don't close the medicals out. Some of them I say, take the money and run. Because a lot of times I say, once you've had the surgery and once you've had the treatment and the doctor's released you, well, they're not going to do anything else for you anyway, really, in reality. And so why not get paid to walk away?
Yeah.